fish on. Oh, come on. Bite on, Paul. Bite on. Come on. Ah. Oh, man. It's gonna keep that things on. Ah, man. Gosh, I had the ground here just now. There's wee trouties loping about here. Come on, fishy, fishy. Fit like. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. It's 10:15 at night and I'm waiting for the darkness to come down. I'm fishing at a local harbour, just a 2 or 3 mile from me. I had a few casts I knew with a spinning rod and a wee spinner, and I hooked onto a wee troutie. There's a heap of trouties loping around about, wee finnick, but as usual it's a troutie, so he get off as quick as he get on. But it caused a wee bit of excitement. Anyway, the main reason I'm here is I'm going to want to try out my creel again with a camera inside. Now, this creel was specially made for me. As you can see, it's a long creel with just one eye at one end, and camera's here on this end, and there's a torch here. You just screw it to put it on, and another torch here on the top here. And this is the door here. As you can see, my camera, my underwater camera, and my torch, I have a torch on here. We'll take a rope out. I have a bridle on the top of it. And it used to have a bait bag here. The bait bag kind of obstructed my view of the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie in the bait in here, down at the bottom, so I can see everything coming in, if there's anything comes in. Anyway, I'll get this shot just before it's dark, put on a light on and eye, and I'll leave it maybe for a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours, depending if I'm catching anything with the fishing rods while it's in the water. I was through here during the day and I found a wee hole kind of bit, for I think there might be a lobster or whatever. We'll maybe see some action, get into the creel. But I'll want to get that shot, and then I'm going to shoot a beachcaster at a pint of pier here with 5 hooks on it. They'll be baited with mackerel. Also going to shoot a big hook for a Haevul. I'll let you see it in a minute. I want to get a shot before it's dark. Right, that's it. Camera switched on and everything. Now, I'm trying out this new heat torch that I got for Claris. They actually sent me 2 of these heat torches to try out, and I'm actually giving them away. So I'll try this out tonight, and I'll explain how the ins and outs of it in my shade, and add the clip into this video. Now that's fine. This is the only torch I've took with me the night, so I'm trusting it. It's just a budget torch, but so far I'm impressed with it. There's a heap of different settings, as you can see, and then there's a magic button. On every setting you can push that magic button and you just get it like that, and it goes off or it goes on automatic. Or you can press it again, you can just use the manual button. I'll tell you more ins and outs of it since I'm in my shady. I'll add that clip to this video. Now, as you can see, it comes in this wee box. You get the heat torch with adjustable strap on it. And that's it adjusted for my heat. There's plenty more adjustment to it. It looks like it'll fit the biggest of heads, which is handy. You also get the charging cable. This model is the Claris HM1. Just a budget torch, but I think it's punching a bean its weight for the price of it. It retails at $24.99. I'll put a link in the description under this video. It takes you to Amazon if you want to have a looky at it and buying for yourself. A really handy fishing torch. It's got 12 buttons on the top out here, so it's fine and simple for me, because I don't like things too complicated. There is a wee instruction booklet. It comes in a book, so you know, 2 or 3 different languages, apart from Doric Scots. I'm going to look at the English language. There's 5 different light settings. This button at the right hand side, first setting is medium. Then you've got high, turbo, high floodlight and low floodlight. Of course a low setting will last a long time. There was a magic button on it and I like this feature. As I was saying, it's fine and simple to use. When you've switched on your light setting, you push this left hand button on the top, just a couple of seconds, and that puts it onto an automatic setting. So you just need to wave your hand in front of it and it's off, or it comes on again. And I really like that feature on it. It is waterproof up to IPX6, whatever that means, I don't care. I'm assuming you'll be able to get out in a suppy rain, but you wouldn't be able to drop it in the water, obviously. So if you want to be in with a chance of getting one of these torches free, just comment Fash in the comment section under this video, and all that will be put into a draw, and we'll do one of your random selection things on Monday the 9th of June at 7 PM on this channel. Watch out for that short video on the draw for heat torches. Good luck with it. If you're not one of the lucky winners, nip over to Amazon and you'll be able to buy them for yourself. They're really good value for money. Now back to the fishing. That's a Creel out. So while it's fishing and recording, hopefully it'll get some really good footage for us. I'm going to want to shoot my Conger road, or my Haevul road, as we call the Conger zone here. And this is my bait. Hope you see us on the camera. It's the head of a mackerel and a bit of its back, with the guts not still in, and a wee bit of squid lashed onto the back of it and lashed onto the big hook. And it's a wire trace. I was going to put it onto a running ledger, but I was raking a shade and I couldn't find him. I think I've taken him all through the boat. The last day we was fishing the wrecks. So I just found a pulley bead and a couple of rubber beads to either side of it. So I'll just pop it out with it. It's just an 8 ounce weight. There's not a lot of movement here. It's a lovely night. Tide is running out. It's about at 10 now, and I think low water's 12 o'clock. So I'll actually grab that Creel before there's too much tide comes back in, or when I get tilt. I'll just keep an eye on it. Right, we'll get a shot. I'll just lash it onto this wee handrail here, so it doesn't take off if a conger takes a head out, because I'll be shooting another rod with 5 hooks on it. Right, that's that rod. I've taken a turn on here with a bit of a dough just in case I'm walking back to the car or whatever. I've got a wee lichty on the end of it and a set of bails and a slagging the clutch, as you see. If I hear it clicking a while or bails ringing or whatever, I'll run over and grab it. This is the next rig I'm going to shoot. It's a 4 ounce gripper lead on it, and I've got 5 of those hooks. Now this is overkill for here, because usually you just get dabs here, but I'm really here just for a creel and just to put it about. So I've put this, I think their size must be 3 O's. 2 hours, 3 hours, something like that. And I'd reed beads with like a fishy kind of thing. There's 5 of that hooks and baited up with a big bit of mackerel. But once it starts breaking up and falling to bits, it'll be a small bait eventually. And you might get something smaller again. I've got a wee reed licht here on this end, just to be different for the other end. And I'll be putting a set of bails onto that now. I did see a seal swimming about here earlier on. So hopefully he goes out his bed. Well, I can't believe it. This bell started ringing already. Stupid again. I still hear Trudy's loping in here, but I've had a few big rattles for this in with the reed licht, the 5 hooks, but there's nothing committed. Maybe just been taking a hold of the bait and yarking it. Oh, oh, oh! It's a conger in. It's a conger in going now. What's that green licht over here? Well, there's life down here anyway. Oh, it's a green in moving again. Something picking at it, but it's just not committing. It's something on. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it must be a conger. Oh, oh, yeah, beauty. He's stuck in line. He's stuck in line. Oh, come on, Paul. Oh, stupid. I think he's going to hit the hole. Oh, man. Oh, gee. Oh, lost him. Oh, basket. I thought I hit him, you know. He took a bite in it. I hooked him in. Oh, man. Oh, it was definitely a conger. It was a good fish. It bent that road right over. That's a strong road. I'll cast that back again. Oh, man. Yeah, probably when I come back again. No after that. But we'll get a go and see. Oh man, maybe I should have left it a bit longer. Right, that's back down that same bitty. Oh, I'm sick about that. Actually, them hook it. Well, he must have had the bait down his throat. Right, it's a trap set again. You think he'll come back? Ah, you're never sure. It's worth a go. Yeah, there's bites at it again, look. Oh, it must have been a good sized conger, right? It bent that road right over. And that's a really strong road. I'm hoping the camera's captured some of that. I thought it was well hooked. Ah, that's the same. Something's picking at us, reed lichty, look. Well, it's a bit of excitement anyway. I kinda see him coming back again after. You'd think it would give him a scare, ken? But I dunno ken. Has the fish got a good memory? Right, I'm gonna haul this in now and change a bait. It did rattle a few times, so then I came with a wee fluke sitting on there. They're fit. But the bait will be needing changing now. I would say a bait will be scuffed. Right, that's a damage. 3.5 baits scuffed. I think there was something picking at it. Thinking it's maybe buttocks or something. Can you small collie? Right, we'll freshen it up when it's lying. That bite down there already. I should probably have smaller hooks on. You're just hoping be some miracle. There's something bigger out there. Maybe a wee codling or something. Yeah, look. Something here. It's a Conger road, get a wee rattle there just now again. Is that him back? Come on, just swallow it. Switch your camera when it stops again. Just getting a wee bit of movement there, I know. See it now? Something picking at it. Come on, fishy, look, see it now? Bottom hook's scuffed. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to put a set of small hooks on. At least I'll get a dab. This is a rig I'm putting on now. I have a wee pop-up float. some beads, and a small hooky. Look, I think it's a size 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we'll stick out to it and see if we can catch a culprit. It's been chawing a bit. Right, we'll see how long it takes. Look, that's a bite already, would you believe? Look at that. No, it's just it. Just shot it just now. And you could see it biting. I was walking away for the line and it was rattling as I was walking away. Look. Now what'll hook him this time? What smaller hooks. And I'm going to leave them at the, because I reckon I'll maybe get 2 or 3 or 6 hooks. If I just leave the wee minty to develop. Give him a wee yark. See if I can hook him. Come on, fishy, fishy. Yeah. Come on. Right, I'm just going to let it develop and I should be able to haul up maybe a couple of dabs, 2 or 3 maybe. Now I'm going to haul this Conger rig and I got no more bait. I didn't think this lad will come back again anyway. I think I've spooked him. Because I reckon he must have had a whole bait in his moo. Because I had a good hood to him. He was stuck in line. And I must have just hauled the bait with his moo. Maybe I just hooked into him too quick. I didn't care. I think this is just fast in the ground. That other looks like he's rattling away, the reading. Come on. Well, I lost my lecht and my bales off of this road. They just get pinging. That's what's left of my bait. The Conger rig. And I got no more bait. That thing's rattling away. There must be flatties on that thing. Right, I'm going to park this road up. And I'll just fish away with that thing just now. Right, see if there's something on this. See if we catch it, the culprits. It's been rattling the bales. Oh man. Oh, wait till you see us. Oh, would you believe us? Oh, every hook. Every hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dabs. Well, how's that for a thumbnail? And they're just wee critters. That's why I wasn't hooking them on the bigger hooks. But that hooks is fairly tight on them. I'll get these things unhooked put him back, and then we'll get in haul a creel and see if we've got anything in a creel. And I'll let you see the footage on this video. Get this crater's back. It looks like they're all lip hooked. Aye, every one of them. Great. Now look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll get him, I can see, and get him back. Right, where you go? Yes! Oh well, that's a result. Just in one haul. But hey, I hooked on a wee Trudy earlier on. I had him on for a couple of middays before he escaped. It was fair tricket we had. They were all open around about me when I first came in about. And then I hooked on to a Haevul. It must have been a big Haevul, a big Conger. Because he was stuck in line. And I was sure I had him. I recht hooked. Because he was shorting away the line. I was winding him in a bit. And then of course he just spat out the bait. He hadn't been hooked at all. I did. That was a bit of excitement anyway. I'll get in and see if it's in this creel, if there's anything at it. Right, I'm going to get this creel. If I can find my way. And hold on to this tripod at the same time. Now this is that heat torch. And it's really good, as you can see. It's just the heat torch I'm using just now. And I've been using it for a few hours now. And no problems. That's a rope here, look, for a creel. Now the next to it is, I'm hoping it hauls up out of there without sticking. I've got my bridle on top of it, so I hope it helps a bit. I'll just try and haul it up quick. Here goes. It's sticking a wee bitty. And I've got her. I've got her. Yeah. Nothing at all. But again, something we'll soon find out. Well, you lads will find out quicker than me. You can see the footage right now. Right, that's a bait out. I'm assuming there might have been buttocks or something going on, picking at the bait. Or maybe nothing at all, I don't care. See, in order to get a lobster, you really need to have your creel sitting on echt. Unless there's a lot of lobsters in the go. Boys, you're not going to believe this. I'm getting eaten with midges. And this is the east coast, near the west coast. Now, that's a creel that Jason made for me. And it was specially made just for my camera. That's how it's long and one eye at the end of it. But I'll have to get a recht go sometime and just leave it on echt. But you have to be watching because you don't want somebody hauling it and taking your camera and everything. Can. Anyway, good luck. Whoever gets a heat torch, there's 2 up for grabs. And mind, you've just got to comment under this video, Fash, and you'll be putting into a draw. Not sure when the draw will be, but once I put this video up, I'll put a date on here when the draw is. So good luck with that. And that's it for now. So take care of the, and I'll catch you after.